Hey guys, quick summer video. We're at my garden tree crabapple. I wanted to show you something. A gigantic air layer with spider's webs that's only been on 6 weeks. Now, out of interest, there are more air layers. These don't have roots yet. Another one out the back there. That one doesn't have roots yet, but this one does. Couldn't tell you why, but I wanted to show you anyway. Let's remove this and get it potted up. Yeah, I mean that's a pretty big air layer. I don't even know what to do with all of this. Hang on. There you are. Bonsai Cornwall mug for scale there. Yeah, that's a lot of crabapple. Let me sort this out. Hang on. Look at the amount of root on that. Very cool. And this is from like the back of the air layer. I even tried coming out of there. That's kind of crazy. So here we are again. I feel like I have this conversation all the time, but this is how I would handle such air layer material, right? We all want this. We can't have that, so we all think about something like this, when the best thing for the tree is this. Okay, so potted up. That's what it looks like, featuring Mr. Spider. It's just a little bit kind of top heavy that way, so I'm just going to do a few more adjustments and fill this up with soil. Okay, it now will stand up and it's full of soil, which is excellent. So I'll do a little bit of branch selection, a little bit of pruning, just because this amount of foliage is going to struggle with that amount of root. It is a lot of root, probably would be okay, but here's a good opportunity to sort of eliminate some things that we can't really use in the design anyway, so let's get rid of it now. So a little bit of a haircut. It'd be a lot easier once this thing loses the leaves, but last thing I'll talk about is the apples. Crabapple, very popular tree, especially in the spring. The flowers are absolutely insane. But what are we going to do with the apples for now? Unfortunately, we're going to have to remove them, but that's just for the health of the plant, because the energy that these are taken to produce is quite a lot. In the future, we'll be able to leave them on, or, you know, we'll have other options. But for now, we need to dump as much energy into continuing the development of the tree. So we're going to remove them. Almost a full harvest there. Thinned out, trimmed, a couple of big branches removed. Yeah, what a beast. What a beast of a crabapple air layer. If this is material that you might fancy owning, this will more than likely, as well as the other big air layers that I've taken, will be at Plymouth Bonsai Club auction this September. Come along, and yeah, if you feel like putting in a bid for something like this and much, much more, all of the proceeds that I make from my own material that I'm selling go to motor neuron disease research, which is in aid of Alan Wild, who's given me the wild trees, of which the videos you've likely seen. If not, there's a link right now. And with that, I hope everyone is having a lovely summer. June is a crazy month, lots of birthdays, lots of sun, lots of trips to the beach, all good stuff. But working on exciting material like this is also important. Yeah, very end of June here, sorry. Already taking these early air layers off. Crabapple. Huge, huge crabapple. Okay, guys, wherever you're in the world, make sure you're taking care of yourself. See you in the next one. Bye. If you enjoy the videos and you'd like to support the channel, please consider following the links in the description. Here you'll find links to the Amazon wishlist. This is the best way to help the channel. Alternatively, you can buy these t-shirts. Please email or DM me to find out how you can get those. Lastly, the easiest way to help support the channel is drop a like on this video and please press the subscribe button. That would mean the world to me. Thank you so much.